Okay, first time talking on YouTube. I'm going to give it a go. What can possibly go wrong? What's the worst that can happen? I'm going to do a simple pick and gut of this lock. It's an ABUS EC880. It was given to me by another member of the UK Locksport forum, Jason34. Big thanks to Jason34 for it. It's a dimple lock. It's got 6 pins and 6 active pins and 4 passive pins. Right, have a look at the bit in there. It's not a difficult lock to pick, but it is a nice pick. The reason for doing the video is that when I came to gut it, I always tend to try and research what I'm doing so I don't wreck something. I couldn't find another video of this lock being gutted. I found a few of it being picked, but no gutting. So I thought I'd try and help out anybody that was in the same situation as me by putting a pick and gut up on YouTube. Thanks a lot. Okay, ABUS EC880, I've got it in the vise. One thing that I've found about this lock is that if you clamp it up too tight, it actually crushes the core, which stops it from turning, robs you of all feedback, makes picking impossible. So it needs to be clamped nice and light so that the key will still turn. Okay, I'm going to be using multi-pick left flag, I think it's a number 7, and multi-pick tensioner that just fits quite nicely and snug. Picking clockwise, tensioning anti-clockwise. Let's see how it goes. It's not a hard lock. I'm going to go in right to the back, and what I need to do is get in between one of the passive pins and the active pin. That's generally the first one to set. Okay, and then just work my way through, finding binding pins. Okay, a little bit of core rotation there. Probably overset something. Okay, big core movement there, dropped into one of the spools. Just a question of finding the spool pin now. Okay, I think that's that one set. Okay, and there we go, that's picked. So the main reason for the video was to show a gutting of this lock. So let's give that a go. Got the key, as they say, so no need to worry about locking it back up. So clip on the back. Right, should have brought all of the bits in. Circlip. There's then a little spacer ring. Key can slide in. Always use a shim, even though it's a simple lock with no real problems. What you have to watch out for now is to make sure you get your thumb across the bottom to catch the passive pins. Take those out first. Okay, that's the 4 passive pins. Also have to make sure you get your finger underneath because they will drop straight through. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So just a quick look around the core. You've got some drill protection, 4 holes for the passive pins and the 6 holes for the standard key pins. As you can see, this is not really the right shape follower or right size follower, but it does. So 1, 2 is a spool, and just tip the springs out. Give you a close-up of those pins. So all the key pins are standard. The drivers are a mixture of spools, standards, and barrels. Hope that's helped anybody that might want to get one of these. Thank you.